Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video I am going to show you guys how I was able to do this fruitless braided wig unit. Look at this wig, it's looking so beautiful guys, so natural. It's a glueless wig, so I'm going to show you guys how I started and how I ended up getting this. So this is actually the continuation of the first part of the video I uploaded, where I showed you guys how I prepared the preparation process. Now we are heading to the braiding process now. So if you don't know how I did the evacuation, how I prep, how I got my extension ready, please watch the video before this one. So let's move on to the braiding process. I have to part, okay. After I've done my parting, then the next thing is to divide my hair into three. Remember, we are doing knotless braids. So I divide my hair into three and braid it, making sure that my base is tight. Okay, then the next thing is to start adding my extension. Please watch closely how I add my extension. Okay, so this is how to do your knotless braid. Then when I add my extension, I'll go ahead and keep adding the extension invisible way. Okay, when you add, if you don't want the extension to be showing the place, the joint area, this is the perfect way to add your extension. So when I braid, I make sure the natural hair is hidden. Okay, I hide the natural hair with the extension. So I keep adding till I get to the length I want. I'm making use of cotton 3. I said this already in the first part of this video. So I keep adding and braiding till I get to the tip of the hair. Remember, the size, the volume, the length depends on you. You are the one to decide the size you want. Either you want the same size, or you want the medium size, or you want a small size, or the jumbo size. It all depends on you. So guys, let me seize this opportunity to thank all those that have been supporting me, those that have been watching my videos, those that have been distributing my videos, sharing. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for showing your love and your support. If there's anything you want me to make video on, you are free to do that. You can make your video request down the comment section. I will definitely attend to that. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay, no matter what the question is, there's something you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. And please, when you are doing this, make sure the natural hair is hidden, especially when you are working with a different color of extension. So I'll keep adding till I get to my length, the length I need, and also the volume I need. Like that, it's very easy, it's super easy. So if you know you've watched to this point and you know you've gotten any value from this video, please do not seize this opportunity to hit that like button. Comment if you have any question, ask, please share. If you're yet to join my family, go ahead and do that by hitting the subscribe button. Join me so that turn on notification bell. Anytime I upload new videos, you will get notification. Alright, so this is how far I have gone. I part my hair, then I start to braid after dividing the natural hair into three. Then the next thing is to add my extension bit by bit. You have to start with little extension. Then as you progress, you can increase the volume of extension you are picking. You can increase and as well decrease while you go. Okay, so you have to make sure, watch the previous ones they did, making sure the volume is the same, so you know when to add up or when to reduce the volume you are picking. And please guys, you are free to make your order. Like, you are free to place your order if you want me to make any style of braided wig for you, either this style, any color of your choice, zircon roll, no matter the style of braided wig you want, you are free to place an order. Just send me a DM or let me know in the comment section. So guys, feel free to place your order. Let me know in the comment section or send me a DM to place your order. All my braided wigs are super affordable. It's very cheap and I deliver to any location. Thank you guys. So guys, I keep adding till I get to the length I want. And as I add, I have to braid like that till I get to the tip. After that, I have to part again and continue with the same process. So this is how far I have gone. I'm already at the front side. First thing I did when I got to the front section is to part. Okay, I parted the hair and I'm done with one side, remaining the other side. So I have few to go. If you don't know how I was able to part the section, this front section, please watch my video on how to section your full lace wig. Okay, that's the same process I use for this one. So when I part, I'll continue the same way, the same thing we were doing. I keep adding my extension. While I add, I braid. I make sure that my base is very tight, and when I braid, I have to keep hiding the natural hair. So guys, following me to this point, I know you've gotten one or two values from this video. Please go ahead and give this video a like, share to your friends, share to your people, drop a comment down below. What do you think about the week? If you have any question, you are free to ask. Let me know in the comment section. There's no how I can know if you got this or you're confused at any point if you don't ask your questions. So you have to ask your questions for me to know exactly where you are still having issues. So when I'm done with this front section, the next thing is for me to carefully and patiently trim the hair. And why I say patiently, because trimming needs patience. You need to be very patient with it for you to be able to give it a very neat trimming. Okay, so I have to trim. Then after trimming, the next process is to apply hot water. That's the next process. Okay, applying hot water is very easy. Just boil your hot water. You can pour it directly to the wig while on your canvas head or mannequin head, or you can dip it inside a bowl and then pour hot water on it. So whichever way you choose is okay, but make sure the whole extension is be soaked with hot water, and again the tip has to be very straight. So I have to apply some hair mush. Is it hair mush? Shall be hair mush. I don't know if I got the pronunciation well, but I have to apply that, and again some oil sheen too to the hair for shining. This one is to hold it so that it doesn't bring out all those flyers later. So this is to hold it, and then the oil sheen is for shining, and then this is what we have finally. This is our final product, guys. Can you see how they last, how beautiful, how natural this wig is? Actually make this for a client. Like I said, if you want something like this or a different pattern, a different design, you are free to let me know. Order. All my braided wigs are super affordable and I deliver to any location. I don't disappoint. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye. And guys, you can see I added some hairline to the edges to the wig. Okay, don't worry, I'll be uploading a video soon on how I was able to do that. Bye.